Alright folks, Michael, Vintage Diesel Equipment Service. Behind me is a Ford 3600. It had a fuel problem and we just got it straightened out. We've already primed this thing and cranked it the other day, but it's set and it's cold. So we're gonna do a cold start on it. Also, I just fixed the hydraulics on this thing. If you don't know how to fill your hydraulic system on your Ford 3600, you should probably check out the video in the link. Here we go. Alright folks, that's that. Thanks for watching.